Welcome YouTubers, so good of you to join me on this video. Well, today will be how we went scud running out at Beaumont and how we got into a little bit of trouble because when we decided to scud run, ran into some drizzle and got some problems with wet wings, and so we had to cut our little flight short. When we took off, we were right there at the fog level and it started to drizzle. My risers got wet, my wings started to get wet, I got wet water on the throttle housing, and my knees got soaking wet and had to come back. What were we thinking? I don't know what we were thinking. We thought we'd just do some scud running, it would be fine, there wouldn't be any moisture. Wouldn't have to deal with rainfall or anything like that. It got very wet, very fast, and we needed to do something and end our flight quickly before things got out of hand. And meaning things that can get out of hand is like going parachutal. So that's the introduction for this video. Hope you enjoy it and learn something from it like we have. Dialed in. Playground, right? We're going to scud run with the playground. Because look at it, pretty foggy all around. So this will be one of our interesting adventures, not so much sunshine and blue skies and high flying. Today is all about scud running. Well, with you low and fast. Mr. Trim's out. Yeah, now I keep up with you. Yeah, the only way I can keep up with you is go trims out. Gotta remember, breathe through the nose. Don't be a mouth breather. No sense panting on camera all the time. Come on, shift a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh wow, it is foggy and chilly. Foggy and chilly. Okay. It's raining. I gotta get out of here. I gotta land. I don't want to go parachutal. That would hurt. Yeah, my risers are wet. This is not cool. It's way too moist. Call me chicken, but call me chicken. Okay, that's good enough. Oh, it's okay. My wing is all muddy now. My glider also weighed 10 pounds heavier than it normally did from all the water. So I bagged it up, took it home, spread it out on a tarp in the garage, cleaned it the best I could, and let it dry. If you like this video, click the thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please subscribe.